Hey everyone! If you're an Amazon Prime Visa cardholder, you're in for a treat because today's video is all about mastering the purchase protection feature. This handy benefit from Chase can protect your purchases from damage or theft, potentially saving you a ton of money and stress. Whether it's a new gadget that breaks or an item that goes missing, let's break it down step by step so you can use it like a pro. First things first, what is Amazon Prime Visa Purchase Protection? It's a perk that covers eligible items you buy with your card against accidental damage or theft for up to 120 days from the purchase date. That's right, peace of mind for your online shopping sprees. To get started, ensure your purchase qualifies. This means it was made with your Amazon Prime Visa card, and it can't be something like jewelry, motor vehicles, or rentals. Always check the fine print on the Chase website. If disaster strikes, like your laptop gets damaged, here's how to file a claim. Step 1. Gather your evidence. You'll need your original receipt, photos of the damaged or stolen item, and any police reports if applicable. Keep everything organized to speed up the process. Step 2. Log into your Chase account via the website or mobile app. Navigate to the Benefits or Claims section. It's usually easy to find. Fill out the claim form with all the details about your purchase and what happened. Step 3. Submit your claim and wait for review. Chase typically processes claims quickly, and if approved, you could get reimbursed up to $500 per claim, with a yearly cap. Remember, this isn't automatic insurance, you have to initiate it. A few quick tips. Always keep digital copies of receipts, and double-check for any exclusions based on your card's terms. It's a simple way to protect your investments without extra hassle. There you have it. You're now equipped to use Amazon Prime Visa Purchase Protection effectively. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.